Hi guys, welcome back. We've just got home from pumpkin picking and the kids have not hung around. They're already decorating their pumpkins as we speak. I was so surprised at how much they had in store for us, so have a look. So as you can see, it was absolutely fantastic. So much to do. We were actually so amazed by the park. The park was the best feature. It was huge. There was so much. There's even stuff that I didn't get on the video. There was like a giant slide.
There was 3 stories of a park. There was a park there, then you would go up like something and there was another park, and then you would go down the slide and there was another park.
Yeah, that's right. And there was another bit we saw just before we left that we didn't go to, and that was some tunnels as well, wasn't it, for kids to run around in?
But they were closed.
But they were closed, yeah, anyway.
There was an inside play area and that was closed.
Yeah, a few bits were closed, weren't they? But that was fine. But Eva, what would you say was your favourite part of today?
All of it.
All of it? Wow. And you're just decorating your pumpkin? Oh, lovely. Can't wait for us to... We'll finish them off tomorrow, but I said that they can design them today. And Diego, can we have a look at yours? Your masterpiece? Oh, spooky, scary. Hey, it's really nice. Yeah, no, we have had a lovely day today. What would you rate it today out of 10?
A trillion.
Infinite and a trillion? Out of 10?
Yeah.
It looks like we've had a good day then. So you've heard it from the kids. It was like a trillion, infinity, out of 10. It really was so good. And there were so many different animals to see. And I did like cows, because cows are my favourite animals in the whole entire world. They've just got such long eyelashes. So I was made up that I saw a cow as well. We saw reindeer. There were like some really cool animals there, weren't there? So yeah, we really enjoyed that, and it was like a reptile place. So just so much there to see and do. It was brilliant. We spent the full day there, and we still felt like we needed a bit more time by the end of it. Well worth it, well worth it. Really good, fantastic social distancing measures in place. There was some restaurants on site, a cafe. Just great, fantastic day out. Hello.
I'm going to show my pumpkin.
You're going to show us your pumpkin again, okay? Oh my goodness, that is so fantastic, Diego. Are you happy with that? Great job. So tomorrow we'll carve them. Deal? Right, okay, I think it's time for us to get those dogs fed and get a shower. Hope you've liked watching another one of my videos. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.
Bye.